Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix a problem of not being able to open up or install OpenShot Video Editor, and you have an error. OpenShot Video Editor can't be opened because Apple cannot check it for a malicious software. So this is really an easy fix, guys. So I'm going to click on the OK button to close it off for now. And then what we want to do is click on the Apple icon at the top and click on System Preferences, and in here we're going to click on Security and Privacy. Now because we try to open up the app and Apple Mac security won't let it open, so in here what you can do is click on the Open Anyway. So we're going to click on that. So from here we need to click on Open, and that's it. So now it will try to install. You can see the icon is jumping down here, up and down, and here it is now open, and that's it. So that's all you have to do to open up OpenShot Video Editor on your MacBook or the MacBook Pro. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.